Writers, today we're going to learn how to write an introductory paragraph for your argument essay. What I'm going to show you today, it is really just a formula. And so let's go ahead and get started. I need you to know that an unorganized introduction makes for an unclear argument. When people start reading your writing and they're not sure what you're even trying to prove, it's really confusing. So let's clear that up. Here are our goals for the introduction. Number 1. Grab the reader's attention with a hook. I'm going to show you at least 3 techniques to use for the hook. Next, describe the topic. Now this one is more about just adding a little bit more to the topic sentence to just fill it out a little bit, and I'll show you that. Number 3, you're going to present the major ideas and the reasons of your essay. And finally, number 4, I'm going to write your claim as the last sentence of your paragraph because we saved the best for last. Now here's the argument we've been working on, and that is that people shouldn't fish off of Manhattan Beach Pier. And here are my 3 reasons. Pollutants in the water taint the fish are poisoned. 2, it hooks pelicans and other sea life. And number 3, sharks are attracted to fishing spots, and we know about the shark attack that happened. So let's start with number 1, to grab the reader's attention with a hook. One technique is to write a surprising statement like this. Fishermen who fish off of the Manhattan Beach Pier are putting other people's lives in danger every day. Who could think fishermen could do such a thing? Okay, so that's one. Here's another one. Start with a question. Now, a lot of people often go to, have you ever wondered or did you know? But every question on a topic sentence doesn't have to start like that. Here's another way. Do you think that people might think twice about casting their fishing line off of the Manhattan Beach Pier if it led to the death of a floating pelican or even a nearby surfer? Now, not only is that kind of shocking, but it's also beginning with a question that also makes you wonder. All right. And here's my last technique. An attention grabber. Here we go. The Manhattan Beach Pier is one of the most tranquil places to be on a breezy summer morning. That is, until the waters turn red with the blood of a surfer being attacked by a great white shark. Now, that is 2 sentences, but it's still counted as a topic sentence. Did it get your attention? It got mine, and that's the one I'm going to use. So let's move on to number 2, describe the topic. Tell more. So here is the topic sentence we just chose. And now I want to add on and just tell more just a little bit. So let's think. What could I say that wouldn't give away my 3 reasons and still keep everyone interested? So I want to tell more about the great white shark, about that it's dangerous. So I came up with something that doesn't give away too much, but still pads my paragraph a little bit. Every day that pier fishing takes place off of the pier, it puts many lives at risk. I'm kind of restating my first sentence in a fresh way and adding on to it. So that's my step 2. Let's go on to step 3. Present the major ideas or reasons of the essay. Now these are the reasons that you've been collecting information on and taking notes and getting quotes. So we're going to present them in a concise way. So here they are. These are the reasons that we picked, but there's a little problem. When I look at them, I think that I could probably say them in a better way, and they each have a different pattern. For example, pollutants in the water taint fish. I started with my topic, and then I have pollutants taint the fish. Now let's look at number 2. It hooks pelicans. I kind of put my verb at the beginning of the sentence there. And the last one has it beginning with sharks, but clearly these 3 reasons are not following the same pattern. And let me show you what I mean. If I look at the first reason, pollutants in the water taint the fish, I could rewrite that to say the fish that are caught might be tainted by pollutants. Now I've made it a little bit more, I bumped it up a little bit more, and I'm starting a pattern. What I'm going to do is start with the fish. Now I'm going to put the most important part right at the beginning of the sentence. So I want to follow that pattern for every single point. So let's look at point 2, and I want to follow the same pattern. It hooks pelicans and other sea life. I can rewrite that to say, the fishing hooks might also catch pelicans or even people. So I followed that pattern. I said the same thing, but now it flows with my other sentence. And here's the last one. Sharks are attracted to fishing spots. I rewrote that to say, the bait used to catch fish also might attract sharks. So here's what it looks like altogether. The fish that are caught might be tainted by the pollutants. The fishing hooks might also catch pelicans or even people, and the bait used to catch fish might also attract sharks. Do you see the pattern? It works better that way. Now, let's put it all together. I took those 3 thoughts and basically connected them with commas so that they're all in one sentence. I don't have to read it to you. I think you get the idea. I took the 3 points, put them together into one. Okay, now let's keep going. We're on to step 4. Write your claim as the last sentence of your paragraph. You might wonder, why would we not put the claim first? Well, we kind of save that for the last, almost like the best for the last. The best thing is the last thing. And we're building our case, and then pow, we hit them with the claim. Now here's our original claim. People shouldn't fish off of Manhattan Beach Pier. Okay, that's simple, that's clear, but it's not very strong. Let's see if we can say that in a more strong way. How about, there is absolutely no reason that the people should be allowed to fish off of Manhattan Beach Pier. Now, when you say your claim with more strength, it really shows this is definitely what you're saying. You stand behind this claim, and you're planning to prove that. We've got a winner. All right, now let's put it all together. The Manhattan Beach Pier is one of the most tranquil places to be on a breezy summer morning. That is, until the waters turn red with the blood of a surfer being attacked by a great white shark. Every day that pier fishing takes place off of the pier, it puts many lives at risk. The fish that are caught might be tainted by pollutants. The fishing hooks might also catch pelicans or even people, and the bait used to catch fish might also attract sharks. There is absolutely no reason that people should be allowed to fish off of Manhattan Beach Pier. That pretty much says what I'm going to tell you, and I'm very strong about what I'm trying to say. So let's remember our goals, and this is the formula for writing a successful introduction. Grab the reader's attention with a hook, describe the topic, tell more, present the major ideas or reasons of the essay, and write your claim as the last sentence of your paragraph. It's as simple as that, and you can do it. Good luck.